Hello guys, this is what we have here. We have volatility 100. So you can see here we have a fair value gap at this level here. So I'm expecting price to get to this level here. And from this level here, I'm going to be looking for a decline in price. So as you can see, price is at this level now, okay? So what I'm expecting to see here is just a pullback into this order block here for price to gain some momentum, and then from there price push up and gets to this level of our interest here, which is our fair value gap, lining up with an order block here. So let me just mark 50% of this order block, which is gonna be somewhere here. It's gonna be 50% of that order block. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait and see what price does at this level of our fair value gap here. We might get to see some spikes, which will be good. Okay, so I'm waiting to see a price decline here, but at the same time, if price push back to this order block here to give a re-entry here, then I'm gonna do that. So we have volatility 75 also. So if we get to look here, it seems to be moving quicker than I anticipated. So we have buy side liquidity here, which has been collected, and then we have sell side liquidity here, and then we have a fair value gap at this level here. Okay, so basically what you're gonna be targeting, it's gonna be this low here. So I can just put your thing here. Okay, so this is the level that we are targeting. So basically that's it for price. There is nothing difficult. This is 30 minutes. So that's it for this video.